Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will be showing you how to uninstall application on Android. Let's get started. First of all, go to your settings app on your Android phone. Then you have to scroll your screen until you find application option, and it's right here guys. Just tap on it and select the application that you want to uninstall. You can scroll your screen until you find that application, and for example I'm going to uninstall CapCut, so just tap on CapCut application, then hold on guys. All right, and I'm just tap on uninstall since we want to uninstall the application. And actually there is another way to uninstall the application. Just go to your home screen, then choose the application that you want to uninstall. For example, I'm going to uninstall CapCut, so just tap and hold on the CapCut until this option appear on your screen, then just tap on uninstall right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can uninstall application on Android phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video guys.